Welcome to the Croatian Voice, the news program from Toronto, Canada. This is your host, Željko Todorić. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. According to the Croatian Employment Services report from last month, unemployed librarians, along with cooks, flight attendants, and bartenders, have the easiest time to find a job in Croatia at the moment. Statistics show that an unemployed librarian with a certificate could get a job in his profession within a 2-month period last year. However, low-skilled workers in textile industry, as well as shoe and the lumber industry workers, are searching for a job for the longest period of time, between 6 to 10 years. As for professional workers, teachers, mathematicians, or English language professors, they are also, like librarians, fortunate to find a job with little effort. That's the end of our news report. Thanks for watching. God bless.